Norwegian Joy's Haven forward-facing penthouse is a whole lot of luxury packed into about 415 square feet. When you enter the cabin, you enter into a combination living and dining room area that has a butler pantry, a closet, a table with seating for 4, a comfortable sofa that opens up into a bed, your balcony, a desk area, which contains the chair, the 4th chair that goes to the table, a flat screen TV with storage underneath. Your balcony is about 27 to 45 square feet, depending on the location, with 2 chairs and a small table large enough for cocktails or coffee on the balcony. The separate bedroom contains a king-size bed with luxury linens, a large window that looks out to the front of the ship, the bow of the ship. It also has tons of storage. 2 end tables, one on either side of the bed, a second TV, more storage. The closet has 2 sections, one with shelving that contains your safe, the other with 2 clothing rods, one full length, the other half length. The bathroom is separate, and oh my gosh, is it wonderful. It has a separate water closet, a soaking tub, a double sink, which is fabulous for the 2 of you, lots of storage underneath, and here is my favorite part, the makeup station with a lighted magnifying mirror, perfect for putting on your makeup. The shower is a spa shower with jets and a small waterfall head. Overall, Norwegian Joy's Haven forward-facing cabin is amazing. You're going to love it. Happy cruising.